Tommy, Charlie, how are you guys?
Kevin? Good, Kevin. How you doing?
We're doing all right. So today's job is to get windows in this corner right here, 1 and 2. And look at this monster. What are we working with?
We're working with actually 6 individual sash that are all mulled together to make this nice unit right here.
Are they operable? What do we got?
We got 2 operable windows. The big one right here on this side is a casement.
Yeah.
And the other one on that side is a casement. So we basically have a picture window, picture window, picture window, picture window with a mull in them.
And Charlie, you've got yourself a square opening, framed, but obviously a curved top right here.
We do. So we actually have some framing that will, follow the arch that we'll install, and then we'll cut our sheathing to match.
Beautiful. Okay. So we got a plan to get this thing in? Where do we get started?
Yeah, we were just stripping it back so we can get to the nailing flange. We had to take a piece off the bottom. So now we're going to stand it up, and then we're going to continue to work on the opening. You ready? 1, 2, 3.
What's the material we're working with here, Tommy?
This is a wood window with an aluminum clad, so no maintenance to the outside at all.
Beautiful.
Yeah, nice window. So you can see that this window here, these little red things, that means that this window is operable, fixed, operable.
Love it. That is beautiful.
Yeah, it's going to be nice. So we got to get going on that opening. So it all starts with a square opening, and now we have to frame the opening to match the window. And it all starts with that radius up there and a piece of plywood. We'll take the plywood, we'll hold it up there, and we'll scribe the radius of the window. We've also put some reference lines right here to represent the underside of the beam and the wall. What we need is that piece right there. So we actually cut this piece right here so it looks like this. Hold it tight to the corner and the underside of the beam, and we make our radius from the opening that we've made. From there, we take a scrap piece of lumber, and this is a 2x8, and we'll cut all of our pieces from this template, which will give us the structure that we need to make up for our corners.
Gotcha.
So now we have to build these up in each corner, and we'll put 3 pieces in each corner. So we'll put it up high and push it tight to the beam, tight to the sheathing. We'll put another one against that, building it up slowly. All right, so once we get those screwed in place, we put the 3rd one on, but we keep it flush with the wall. It gives us a place to nail our wallboard and our trim, but it also gives us an opening right here so we can put foam in there and create a thermal break from the cold air outside. That should be the underside of the beam. I only want to do this little corner here. I'm going to transfer the plumb line up. Now I take the same template that we made all of the inside structural pieces from. I'm going to put it on the line, but I'm going to pull it away just a little bit and in a little bit because I don't want to cut it exact. I'm going to make a rough cut first. So I just trace it. That. Now I'll cut that with a circular saw. All right, so now I'm going to finish this cut up right here using a router bit that has a bearing on the bottom that will ride right along that and give me a perfect cut. All right, this window is really heavy, so what we're going to do is we'll walk your side over first, Charlie, then Kevin walk yours, and then back and forth and try to get it through the window opening. I got it. I'd like to get the window, the bottom to come out and then down. Here we go. There you go. Now rotate it up. There you go. Just get it in a little.
That's it, we're in.
All right, now we got to get the flange out.
Yep.
No caulking across the bottom because we don't want it to lock water in there. All right. Window looks good. That is one heavy unit.
It's a nice window, though.
Now it's all installed. All we have to do now is air sail around the perimeter with more tape.
Nice job, boys. Nice job.
Nice looking window.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.